One of the fundamental features of Microsoft Excel is that we can build in calculations, formulas, functions, and then see the results in our worksheet. For instance, this is a simple sum function that's calculating those values for this particular category, in this case Hawaii. But sometimes it would be helpful for us to see what's behind these results. And we don't want to have to move to every single cell in this worksheet, especially when it could be complex with hundreds or thousands of rows. And this can be especially important when we receive data from a colleague, a vendor, a client, and we want to be able to double check or audit the logic, make sure that we're getting the correct calculations here for the results that we're looking for, to make sure that we have the correct calculations or logic in place. The key here is to use show formulas. You'll find this under the Formulas tab in the Formula Auditing group. Now we can turn this on or off by simply using show formulas. You'll see there's also a keyboard shortcut for show formulas, which is Control and the Grav accent. This is a key that is just to the left of the number 1 at the top of your keyboard. It's on the same key as the tilde, which is the horizontal squiggle line. So we could do that as well as a toggle. So notice what happens when we show formulas. This is also one way for us to make sure that we don't have missing calculations, perhaps where someone put in direct entry of a value rather than having a calculation. We can print out these results, this information, and toggle it back at any time. So show formulas is one of the tools in your auditing tool chest for Microsoft Excel. For other tips, subscribe to this channel and check out thesoftwarepro.com/Excel. I'm Dawn Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.